Mind if I try manual adjustment?
Go right ahead, son. I'm ready.
Perfect.
What the hell,
Make this
boy?
one count.
Okay, just a little pressure here. Deep breath in for me.
All right, Mr. Dalton, just take a deep breath for me and out. Good. One more little push here.
This man's whole career.
Oh, sorry, wrong tool.
Auntie G, you ready? Good day!
All right, Miss Cooper, just relax your shoulders for me. A little push, okay?
If you say so, dear.
Big breath in.